Good morning. Any guesses on where we're going? I look very pale. I put on the Urban Decay foundation, the all-nighter, I think in 5.0, and it's a little, I think it's a little too light, especially since I'm getting tan. And there's Honey Babe. Say hi.
How you doing?
So we are gonna go to Disney today. We're really excited. It's May 27th. We're gonna go check out Animal Kingdom Pandora, Avatar Land. Today is the opening, like the grand opening is today. So we're super excited to go check it out. The only down part is that they didn't have any fast passes for today because I guess
the grand opening.
It's the grand opening. So we're kind of worried about how long the lines are gonna be for the rides. But who cares? We're gonna go, we're gonna check it out, and hopefully it'll be a lot of fun. Yeah. This one's excited about the roller coasters, and this one doesn't do roller coasters. He gets like major motion sickness. Boo! Boo to you. Let's get a map.
Yeah, map.
Just to go into the Pandora section. So, and that's not even including the rides. One of the rides is 4-hour wait time, and the other one is what, 2 hours?
2 hours.
2-hour wait time.
So we figure if we camp out now, by the time our 59th birthday comes around, we should see at least one of the rides.
That is insane. So just to get into the actual Pandora section, you have to wait an hour. And
look, just to show you, over there, that's the line just to get inside the Pandora, and it looks like the Disney version of Black Friday.
All that, and it goes all the way down. It's like a huge line just to get into the Pandora. Right, Joe? Oh, the sun.
barbecue burger.
I got pasta. Now it's time to go to Everest. That was a 2-hour wait.
Time to take a nap.
Let's go.
No, I'm in the middle of something. Oh, I haven't drank it. Perfect.
There we go.
There you go. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You ready?
Yeah, a little.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag and trailer. Con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro.
Here we go. Come on, Papa, cheer up.
eBates, welcome folks. Watch your step is start coming on up here.
And yep, as we're crossing this bridge, down to your left, quite a few Nile crocodile. Looks like they've taken up residence down here. These Nile crocodile average 16 feet in length, but they can get up to 20 feet, which makes them as long as a giraffe is tall. They also can weigh in anywhere from 500 to over 1,000 pounds. Now, if you ever see them with their jaws open, that's not necessarily because they're hungry. A lot of the times they are just trying to cool off by releasing all that hot air out of their bodies. Although I wouldn't recommend getting too close to those jaws. They do have a biting force of about 2,000 pounds of pressure per square inch, which means they can cut through the bones of any animal that crosses their path. And I don't know about you folks, I personally don't like the sound of that. So we're going to get out of the Safi River. We're going to make our way down to the Serengeti grasslands instead. And these grasslands stretch for hundreds of miles across Africa, home to some pretty unique animals. Yeah, not too bothered. Taking a little rest before it has to go out and hunt this evening once that sun goes down. The spotted hyena are also known as Fisi in Afrikaans, and they are a matriarchal society, which means the ladies are in charge. A lot of people think they're scavengers, which is partially true, partially not true. While crossing the savannah, they won't turn down a free meal. However, they will do the majority of their own hunting, and they are very successful hunters. Kind of spaced all over the hill.
Look at that one.
Also, just past these Ankoli cattle, there's a very small tan-colored antelope with a stripe down the center of its body. Those are springbok.
Right there at the top.
There it is. Now that mandrill is the largest monkey species in Africa. The males weigh about 100 pounds, and that actually is the alpha male right there. Ah, beautiful elephant coming up on our right over here. That's a pretty picture. Now that is a male elephant. Typically they'll leave the herd once they reach adulthood, which is around ages 13 to 15. And when he's fully grown, he's going to tip the scales anywhere from 11 up to 13,000 pounds. I'd also like to point out that elephant is flapping his ears. That's to help cool himself down. He can actually lower his body temperature by as much as 15 degrees just from doing that. It's also a beautiful giraffe coming around the side of the baobab tree up here on the right-hand side. There's quite a few of them, actually up on the top of the hill here.
but now I'm just thirsty as hell. I need a drink.
We're gonna go check out the Lion King show, which is one of my favorites.
And then after there's Pandora.
Yes, and then we're gonna go check out Pandora. We haven't been there the entire day.
Day.
Yes.
We enjoyed a lot of the stuff they had here. Too bad we couldn't go on the Pandora today, but we'll be back Tuesday.
We couldn't go on the Pandora, they closed it.
Yeah, it was, when we first got here, it was like 290 minutes wait. And then, you know, we said, okay, we'll leave it for last. Not last, but like to midday. And it backfired, that plan backfired because
they ended up closing it.
Yeah, closing it around 7 o'clock.
Yes, they capped it. I know exactly what you guys are
Yes,
talking about.
exactly.
They unfortunately, capacity.
Yes.
Capacity.
Yes.
We'll open up again. Are you guys thinking of the hotel?
Yeah, well, we actually live here.
We live
in
here.
Orlando,
so we're gonna come back on Tuesday.
On Tuesday. So hopefully if we can
That
catch
would be
it.
easier probably
Yeah.
Tuesday.
Yeah,
Tuesday
we're so
morning.
bummed.
Good luck.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
So yes, what were we gonna say?
We'll be back on Tuesday.
We'll be back on Tuesday morning, first thing.
Yep.
I'm trying to catch the Pandora phenomenon. Until then,
see you guys on Tuesday.
Bye, night.